Okay. Vivek Raj Chauhan. Others mute yourself. Let Vivek answer. Vivek.
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, in 80, how many tens do we have? Vivek, quickly tell me, in 80, how many tens do we have?
Ma'am, write in your notebook.
Dhruv, wait beta. Yes Vivek, in 80 how many tens do we have? 80 में कितने tens होते हैं ध्रुव विवेक?
Ma'am, 3.
3 होते हैं बेटा. Think it again. Children wait, mute yourself. Others mute yourself. Let Vivek answer. Okay Vivek, see. Children, आप quickly see here. We have 80. Yes. Can you see 80 on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So how will we know that how many tens? Okay, listen. So how will we know that how many tens do we have in 80? 80 अब 80 think 80 को बनाने के लिए which number we will multiply? When we multiply 8 by 10, then we get 80. Yes. Yes, beta. Yes, Vivek.
Yes, ma'am.
That means, beta, wait. First understand this. So that means in 80, how many tens we have? We have 8 tens. Now, children, I am going to show you how.
Notebook.
No, beta, no, not this. You don't need to write this in your notebook. I will tell you what you have to write in your notebook. So first, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. First understand this. I'm going to tell you how will you know that how many tens do you have in 80 or in 70 or in any number, in any tens. So children, which number you will multiply with 10 to get 80? 80 को बनाने के लिए कौन से दो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं स्टूडेंट?
Ma'am, 10.
We will multiply 8 by 10, then we will get 80. Yes, that means we have 8 tens. Now see, children. Okay, let me disable your mic. That will be fine. So students, see. Now count how many tens I am writing on the screen. 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means how many tens you can see on the screen? You can see 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. Yes? When you sum up all these tens, what you will get? What will be the sum of these tens? Quickly add it in your rough notebook, in your rough page, and tell me what you will get. I will give you 1 minute. Quickly. 60 seconds. You have 60 seconds. Vivek, I am going to ask with you. Vivek has left the meeting. So children, those who are leaving the meeting, okay, he has joined. So those who will leave the meeting, I can see your names. I will mark you absent. Okay, quickly tell me what you have. Have you added
80.
80?
Ma'am, 80.
Okay. Children, beta, when I have told you that I have listened, so why you are shouting? Okay, yes, that means in 80, how many tens do we have? We have 8 tens. Yes? You will show me thumbs up for yes. Have you understood it now? You don't need to do like this. बेटा आपको find out करने के लिए ऐसे नहीं करना है. This I have shown you explanation so that you can know that how you get. Vivek, are you there in the meeting? Yes, good. So children, in 80, how many tens you have? You have 8 tens. In 60, how many tens do you have? 60 में कितने tens हैं? How many
Ma'am,
tens?
six.
You have 6
Ma'am,
tens.
six. Ma'am, six. Eight. Ma'am, six.
Good. Have you understood everyone? Naisha? Anshuman? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Anshuman?
ma'am.
Rita? Ishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhipal? Pratiksha?
Yes,
Pal?
ma'am.
Have you understood? Everyone? If you
Abhipal
have any
present,
doubts,
ma'am.
share.
Abhipal present, ma'am.
Beta, I'm not taking your attendance. I'm asking, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Or no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me
Yes,
thumbs up.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up. Okay, good. Now, children, I will tell you what you have to write in your notebook. Multiplication by tens. Three into that means you are multiplying it 3, you are multiplying it by 110. Yes. How many tens do you have? You have 3 tens. Yes, or you can say it 30. Yes, children, is it clear? So what you have done, when you have multiplied 3 by 10, that means that 10 is, you have how many 10? You have 110. ये जो 10 में कितने 10 है? In this 10 children, in this 10, ये जो 10 है, in this 10, how many 10s do you have? You have 110. Yes, beta? यहाँ तक समझ में आया children? Listen, beta. First listen. Have you understood till here? When you multiply by 3,
Yes, ma'am.
what you have? You got 30. Yes. That means
Ma'am,
30 में, children 30 में कितने 10 है? 310. Yes.
Yes,
Good.
310.
Quickly write, note it down this in your notebook. Okay, Pratyush. Pratyush, unmute yourself. Pratyush, sing. Quickly, beta. Pratyush, unmute yourself. Nitika, you unmute yourself, beta. Nitika,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, now tell me one thing. I have written 3 multiplied by 30. Yes, you can see the screen. Nitika,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
now tell me that why I have written here 3 tens in place of 30. 30 की जगह 3 tens क्यों लिखा मैंने? Why I have written 3 tens here? Yes, Nitika. Am I audible to you? Try it, Nitika. Nitika. Okay. Who will answer me? Yes, children, who will answer this? Use a hand.
Ma'am,
Who is saying?
Ma'am,
Abhimanyu. Pratyush, okay,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me quickly. Yes, Pratyush, beta, quickly tell me why I have written 3 tens in place of 30.
Ma'am, because 30 and 3 tens are equal.
Yes, children. Is Pratyush saying right? Is he correct? Yes. Is he saying right? Archana? Yes, Archana. Unmute yourself, beta. Why I have written 3 tens in place of 30?
Ma'am, 25 10 is 30.
Yes, children, I have written 3 tens because
Ma'am,
we know that
3 tens are 30.
no, beta, listen. Why I have written 3 tens? I have written 3 and in words I have written tens. Yes? I have written this because beta we know that 30 in 30 how many tens do we have? 30 में कितने tens होते हैं? We have 3 tens. How? ये देखो 10 plus 10 and 10. ये 3 10 है ना children mute yourself Archana mute बेटा. ये 3 10 है ना 1 2 3. When we sum up these tens we get 30. That's why I have written 3 और ये tens कितने हैं? 1 2 3 tens. Yes children, have you understood it now? Yes beta.
Ma'am, I am right or wrong?
Yes beta, you were right. Good Pratyush. Good. 1 star for Pratyush. यहाँ पे I will give you. So Pratyush. Good. Okay. Nitika, have you understood it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So when we multiply 3 by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9 and we have written tens. That means it's 90. Now see beta, यहाँ पे 3 और multiply 30 करते हैं आप 3 को 30 से multiply you get 90. Yes? Or if you will do it like this, अगर आपने ऐसे करा then also you will get 90. Have you understood it now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So children, I will give stars to those who will actively participate in my class. For that, I will write his or her name on the top of the class. On the top of the board, you can see my white screen. I will write your name with star. Those who will actively participate and those who will not actively participate, I will not give you star. So today, Pratyush got 1 star. Okay, so children, quickly do. Have you written this? If not, quickly write it. So next, let's see who will give the right answer and who wants star. Quickly do this, children. I can ask anyone. I can ask anyone. Quickly do this, beta. And I can see Unnati, Vikalp, your camera is switched off. Shaurya Kumar, Shashank Gupta, Rohit Pradhan, Rohini Singh, Priyansh Pandey, Pranav Pandey, Pardesi Manish, Mayank Kumar, Dhruvi. Continuously, I am seeing Dhruvi and Manish, Pardesi Manish, to switch on your camera, but you are not listening. Beta, what happened? Aryan Yadav, Anshuman, Akarshak, Akshita Kumari, Shaurya Singh, why you have joined late? Yes, beta, Shaurya. Shaurya, switch on your camera. Both Shaurya, Shaurya Kumar and Shaurya Singh, switch on your camera. Abhimanyu, switch on your camera, beta. Okay, Swastik. So you want to answer? Okay. So you will answer for the first question. 3 multiplied by 40. What will come next?
Okay.
Beta,
Ma'am, the
here.
answer of 3 yes, ma'am. The answer of 3 multiplied by 40 is 120.
Beta, so what will come here? What will be the next step? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
And
Swastik?
3 multiplied by 4 times equals to 12 times. 12 times equals to 120.
Here what will come?
Ma'am, here will come 12 times.
12 tens. And then here?
Then here will come 120 times.
Do we have to write tens also, beta? Swastik? Tens भी लिखना पड़ेगा? 120. No, good. Excellent. Excellent, Swastik. Okay, so who are going to answer? Archana, Archana, you want to answer? Wait, beta. I will give you chance.
Answer.
Wait, beta. I have not asked. I will unmute. I will allow your mic. Mansi, Mansi, quickly unmute yourself. Mansi, Archana, I will give you chance. Wait. We have done multiplication by tens. We also have to do multiplication by hundreds. So that time I will give you chance. Mansi, quickly tell me what will be the next step. Switch on your camera first. Yes, beta, you are switched on. Okay. Yes, Mansi. Quickly tell
Ma'am,
me what will come next.
Ma'am, 3 into 7, 10.
Wait, beta, wait. Let me write. So, children, quickly write this in your notebook. 3 into
7.
7.
7,
Good. Your next step.
21.
21.
10.
What we will write here? Tens. Okay, good. Now next.
200. Ma'am.
Excellent, Mansi. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, quickly note down this in your notebook. Better this I will share in your group also, class group. So in next class, children, after the break, we will do